Hey, and welcome to your practice today. We're gonna begin our practice here in a child's pose. So take your time. Set it up slow. That's really the aim of today's practice, is to slow down. So let's start here as we mean to go on. Slow down the breath. Breathe in through the nose, maybe take a sigh or two out through an open mouth. And as you breathe in, expand the lower back, lengthen the spine. As you breathe out, grow heavier into the mat, into the earth beneath you. Start to notice how you're doing here. How's the spine, the hips, shoulders, the chest? Just begin to be aware. This pose is a great place to be if you need to rest, if you're tired today. Need a moment out of the fluidity of the practice. Can we start to move slightly? Roll the head left to right, left ear down, right ear down. Find a little massage for the forehead. Rolling of the neck. Release any holding pattern. Reach the hands forward as far as you can. Start to notice a stretch in the shoulders and the armpits, the chest. From here, all we're going to do is open up to a cow pose. So shift your weight forward, stay low. Heart opens, tailbone lifts. As you breathe out, round the spine. Let's meet in a child's pose. Again, breathe in, chest stays low, come forward. Cow pose, heart open. And round it, child's pose. Do a few more of them with your own breath. How slow can you go? Let's find the opposite of rushing in our practice today. Let's make this the last one. And just start to wriggle left to right. Open the side body. Let's find our knees under the hips, hands under shoulders. Just keep moving like that, left to right. As far as feels good. Can we find that cat and cow proper? So when you're ready, shoulders over wrists. And lift up. Breathe in, exhale around the spine to the sky. And if it feels nice to rock forward and back here, then find that too. Or even circle the hips, that can be nice here as well. Press through fingertips, lead with the heart. Movement through the shoulders. Say one more. In this place, a neutral spine. Reach the right hand to the sky, breath in, and bring that hand under the left armpit, stretch. Bring the right ear, right shoulder to the mat. You can use the left fingertips to help you twist. Just breathe, get long in the spine. Slowly lift up. Let's go the opposite way. Left hand to the sky, big breath in. Breathe out, bring it under the right armpit. Shoulder, ear to the mat. You can use the right fingertips to help you twist. Just breathe and slow it down. And then back, slowly we go. And our next pose is a puppy pose. Walk the knees further back, you can walk the hands further forward. And use the hands to press the chest back toward the knees, gaze toward the thumbs, and open the spine. If you find the hips sinking toward the heel, walk the knees a little further back. Open the heart in this pose, breathe. And slowly lift out. Next pose is a modified side plank, or weight left hand under the left shoulder. And reach the right hand to the sky. Left knee is down on the mat. If you want to go crazy, you can stack the feet. As you breathe out, bring that right hand under the left armpit, get really small. Now let's move like a seaweed in the ocean. So move as slowly as you can, breathing in, lifting up. And breathing out, bringing it down. 2 more times. Slowly does it. Movement and breath. Now this time, lift that hand up to the sky, and as you breathe out, reach it overhead. Maybe lift the back leg also. Press through that back foot, reach with that top arm, and slowly bring it back. Tabletop pose. Let's go the opposite way. So modified side plank, left foot to the back of the mat, left hand to the sky. Use the fingertips of that right hand. Breathe in. Breathe out, bring that left hand under the right armpit, get small. Inhale, round it up, or reach it up rather. And exhale, down we go. Move between the two. 2 more times, moving with breath. Slow the process down. And this time, that left arm, reach it overhead, stretch, bicep near the ear. Left hand can reach also, press backward through the left foot. And when you're ready, let's get out of this one. Hands and knees down onto the mat. And the next pose, downward facing dog. Hips to the sky. First one today. Maybe pedal the legs a bit. Actually, what I want you to find here is as you breathe in, the heels lift, the chin comes to the chest. I want us to start to feel a rhythm with the breath. Right, so as you inhale, you inflate. As you exhale, you deflate. And then just the right foot to the sky, and you're ready. Breathe it in, lift it up. Right foot slowly. Bring it over to the outside of the right hand. Take your time. Now, keep the left knee lifted. Press backward through the left foot. So press forward through the crown of the head. And just rock a little here, left to right. Explore the hips. Notice how they're feeling. Whatever movement you're making, slow it down. Keep breathing. Slow and steady. And slowly let's me back in a 3-leg downward dog, right foot to the sky. How slow can you go? And then bring that right foot back down, downward facing dog. Let's lift the left foot to the sky, same thing. Breathe it into the sky. And breathe out, bring that left foot forward to the outside of left hand. Again, keep the right knee lifted. You can walk the right foot back. Press backward through the right heel, press forward through the crown of the head, and rock around a bit here. Easy does it. How does it feel? Maybe you can notice you're tighter this side than the other. Maybe your hips are equal. And from this place, 3-leg downward dog. Left foot to the sky, how slow can you move? And slowly, steadily, bring that left foot down. Downward dog shape. And from here, can we slowly make our way to a seated pose? Cross the legs, get comfy. Just roll the neck slightly left to right. Bring the left ear down, the right ear down. Any tension in the neck, let it go. And then Baddha Konasana, we call it butterfly. So soles of the feet together, hands on the feet. And let's again grow tall. So sit bones heavy, crown is long, breathe here. Maybe come forward slightly, but keep the movement in the pelvis, not the spine. Breathe and find those inner groins opening. Let's stay here a little while. So if you want to go deeper, you can press the elbows to the inner knees. You can back up. Just make sure this pose feels good. And just breathe into the lower back ribs. Feel it, feel it, feel it. And slowly let's make our way to our Savasana. Take your time, come down all the way onto the back. Any movements that feels nice before we rest, find that. And then lengthen feet all the way down the mat. Grab any blankets or eye pillows or cushions or anything that helps you stay relaxed in this place. Maybe take a sigh, take a yawn as we start to enter this place of relaxation. Let's imagine here all tension, all stress, all drama, worries, anxieties. Imagine them as we sink, as we grow heavy. Imagine them sinking down into the earth beneath you to be recycled. Even if you're on the first floor or in a high rise somewhere. All that stuff we no longer need. It keeps us wound up and tight. Imagine it melting down and away with every easy, natural exhalation. From this place, just slowly deepen the breath. Maybe sigh something out. Gently wiggle your fingers, your toes. And in your own time, you roll onto your right hand side. Take as long as you need. And from this place, let's press our way up to seated. Again, just a cross-legged pose is just fine. Anything that's comfortable, find that. And just close your eyes, find your breath just for the last few moments here. And thanks for practicing with me today. I hope you're feeling a little bit better. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out yogarevolution.tv. I'll put the links below. Here's to a beautiful day, big love, and namaste.